Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So to get started, we'll use 3 potatoes, cut them in half, and then coat them with turmeric powder and yellow food powder, and then have your oil heated on high. And here I'm using vegetable oil, and then go ahead and deep fry them to get a good coating. The goal is not to have them cook. Also, we'll deep fry red onion. We'll use 1 medium red onion, and we'll deep fry that as well until it gets a good golden brown color. All right, as you can see, yummy. All right, and then we'll use that same oil to get started with our stew, and we'll start with whole spices, and also I'll add ground cumin, and then let that cook for about a minute or two. All right, and then go ahead and add your chicken, and the goal here is to have them fast, get them to be golden. And while that cooks, we'll grind 2 whole tomatoes. All right, turn them over, and then after it's done, go ahead and add your tomato paste. Let that cook, and when it simmers, add some salt, and then go ahead and add your potatoes and cover. And then on the side, we'll use Royco, 1 teaspoon, and mix it up with water, and then go ahead and add in the stew and let it cook for about 20 minutes or so. All right, and then do a test check to see if your potatoes are done. All right, and then on the side, I use I take my whole spices out. So on the side, I use here low-fat yogurt, 1/2 cup, and also coconut milk, 1/2 cup. I mixed that up and then added it to the stew. All right, and then have it cook for about 5 minutes, and it's done. Add your cilantro for garnishing, and then also we'll use half of the onions that we deep fried, and we're done with that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, so on our next step, we'll go ahead and cook our rice. Use the same oil, add some whole spices, you can see, and then I'll use 2 cups of basmati. Go ahead and stir that up, and also add salt. All right, and then next step, I'll go ahead and add 3 cups of water, and then have it cook on medium and cover up. And then also we're going to mix a little food color with a little bit of water. So after your rice is almost done, go ahead and spread your food color, and also use some of the sauce from the stew and spread it. Adds really great flavor. All right, and then after about 5 minutes, your rice is done, and add the rest of the fried onions. It looks so good, and it's really delicious. All right, we're done, guys. Doesn't that look amazing? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you try it, and if you do, please tag me, and I'll see you next time.